How to add a shop page on Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a shop page on Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a versatile and user-friendly website builder designed for users of all skill levels, in which it allows users to quickly establish an online presence using drag-and-drop interface. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, then you will be directed to this page after signing up. And from here to proceed, just simply click the Create New Site button if you want to create a new site. But at this point, I'm just going to click here, this Edit Site, since I already have a site that has been created. Then we'll be directed on this dashboard, and it will show us on the left side panel the option to navigate. And from here, just click this Edit Site button on the top right corner to start editing this website in here. And after that, it will show you on the left side panel the editing tools such as Add Elements, Add Section, but just click this Pages and Menu option in here. And after that, just simply click here, this Add Pages in here, and upon doing so, it will show you on this pop-up window the option in here. And just simply click here on the left side panel of it, the Store option, and click this Add New Shop page in here. And upon doing so, you will be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you that it is currently adding a new shop page in here. And after that, on the left side panel, you could also add here the name of it. For example, I'm going to enter here the name My Shop. Then close this one, and from here we can start adding or navigating here some of the product in our shop page on this website in here. And to start managing or customizing the product in here, you can simply click this Manage Product button. Then it will show you on this pop-up window the dashboard. And in here, you will be able to see some of the list of the products in here. You could also select this all and start deleting it if you want to, or you could also click More Actions to manage category and many more. Or if you want to add new products, just click this button on the top right panel. And we have here the option to choose either physical product or digital. And let's say we're going to add here a digital file product. By clicking this digital button, you'll be directed on this page. And from here, just simply enter the name or the product title. For example, logo shirt design. Then below, you could also upload a file or the images of what the design looks like. And after uploading it from your computer files, just click here, Upload Media, and click Upload from Computer to do so. And all you need to do is wait for it to be fully uploaded, then you will now be able to see here the result of it. And you could also add here a ribbon. For example, I'm going to enter here Canva design. And aside from that, below here, you could also add a description if you want to. And even the pricing of it in here. We can start navigating it. For example, 999 pesos as the price of it. And now to proceed, if you're now done customizing this one, just click the Save button on the top right panel to proceed. And upon saving it, it will now show you in here that the product has now been added in our shop page in our website in here. Well, on this pop-up window, it will show you how you can start promoting the product. But going back to this page once again, if you're now done, you could also navigate the other details of the left side panel, which is also important in setting up your shop page here on Wix, such as to add here the sales option, where you can start adding here your payment methods by clicking this All Payments in here. And after that, just simply link or connect your payment methods that you prefer. You have here click Manage Payment Methods button, and after that, you have here an option to choose either PayPal or manual payments. So you can click the Connect button to proceed. But moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate some other options including the site and mobile app, and even install some other applications that are also required or can be used in setting up your shopping pages in here on Wix. And to start installing some other application that will help us in our shopping page, just click this Apps button and click App Market. And it will show you in here a variety of application to install. So you could also go to the search bar and click, for example, Online Store. And upon searching on it, you'll be able to see all of the results below, so you can start navigating it and clicking on it to install, such as here Located Map, Sell Downloads, eBay Store, Gifted, and many more. And now after setting up the details, you can start closing this one. And if you're now done, you could also click the Publish button on the top right corner. But before that, as you can see in here, we've now successfully added here the other digital product in our shop. Now once again, by clicking the Publish button on the top right corner, it will automatically save all of the changes. So basically, the purpose of this shop page known as the category page is to display all of our categories and products. And also Wix allows us to manage our store on a mobile device, handle and track orders, and sell on multiple sales channels. But overall, that is just basically how to add shop page on Wix. Thank you.